Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the reciprocity theorem and what is the importance of reciprocity theorem, and we will be solving some two problems from reciprocity theorem to understand better. So what is this concept of reciprocity theorem is if any two terminal, two terminal means like resistors. So resistor consists of two terminal, this is terminal 1 and this is terminal 2. Any two terminal linear elements. Linear means so R, L, C are called as linear elements and bilateral in nature. Okay, bilateral means they allow the current in forward direction as well as in backward direction. So for these three types of elements, the location of voltage source and current can be interchanged. Sir, how to understand this location of voltage source and current may be interchanged? So input side I applied 10 volts, and this is the a T network given to us. The current flowing in this branch is IL dash I am assuming. Therefore, the R is nothing but the excitation to the response remains same. Excitation means how much voltage I applied? 10 volts. What is the current? I have to find the current by using nodal analysis. I have to find the current and I have to substitute here. Then I will get some resistance. This in terms of ohms. Similarly, what I have to do is the locations of voltage source and current may be interchanged. This is the location of voltage source and this is the location of current, which is nothing but 2 ohms. Now I am shuffling this 10 volts to here and I'm finding the current in this 2 ohm branch. Okay, you see this network after interchanged. So this is the network obtained after interchanging the voltage source and the through current. So now in this branch, previously I was finding the current in which ohm? 2 ohm. Now I replace with a voltage source of 10 volts and I am finding the current in this branch. And again, I should use some nodal analysis technique or some other current division rule and find the current IL dash which is flowing here. So previously the voltage source was there. Now we have been removed, okay, and it is shifted to here, and we have to find the current IL dash. So therefore this also will give 10 volts by IL dash. When you solve this type problem, you can understand what is the through current. So if you do it, you will get this RS 7 ohms. Okay, so this is the procedure of doing. If you want to do this problem, you can watch the next video. The problem is solved in the next video. So 10 volts by IL dash, I will get it as 7 ohms, and same 10 volt by IL dash I will also get it as 7 ohm. Now what you can understand is the very simple is reciprocity theorem states that the excitation to the response or the resistance offered by the network when voltage and current or interchange, the resistance offered by the network is same. And you have to remember one point, the limitation of this theorem is, and this theorem is valid or this excitation to the response concept R remains same, it is valid only when we have single source in the network. Okay, single source, only one source, single source in the network. This source may be an voltage source or current source, only one source. Here you can see in this problem, only one voltage source is there. That's why this theorem can be applied for this kind of problem. This limitation is very, very, very important in competitive point of examination. Reciprocity theorem is valid only for single sources available in the network. It is not valid when you have more than, for example, you have one more battery here, then we cannot apply or we cannot prove reciprocity theorem. Okay, so this is the concept of reciprocity theorem, and it is valid only when we have single source in the network. Okay, so this is the concept of reciprocaling. So the name itself is saying that reciprocal. If we reciprocal the voltage and through current, the resistance offered remains same. The name itself is called reciprocaling or interchanging the voltage and through current, the resistance offered by the network remains same. This theorem is called reciprocity theorem. Hope you are able to understand. We'll try to do the same problem in the upcoming session. If you feel my explanation is good, please like the video and share with your friends, those who are watching the same content, And still, if you have any doubt how to solve this problem, let me know in the comment section. I will answer your comment. And if you're watching the channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel with the name KV Tulasiram, and kindly support these site of free channels for the development of faculty as well as for the students. So thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Yours, Ram.